Good morning, student. Today we start with a new chapter, that is last chapter in your textbook, that is storage in a computer. So what are the storage we use in a day-to-day life for the different things, and the computer, which storage devices use to store a data, that we learn with the help of this video. Along with this chapter, we complete the question answer session and the sample paper 2 also. Okay, so just watch this video. After that, we start a question answer session.
Children, look at the given pictures. These are used to store things. They are called storage places. You keep your clothes, books, and toys in an almirah. So, it's a storage place. Every day you carry your school bag. Your school bag is a storage place for keeping your books and notebooks. A refrigerator is a storage place to keep fruits, vegetables, cold drinks, chocolates and other eatables. Similarly, you can store the data of a computer in CDs or pen drives. You can store games, letters, stories, drawings, songs, etc. in them. You can use the stored data whenever you need it.
Okay, student, it is a small chapter in that which are the different things we use in a day-to-day life for storing our day-to-day things. Okay, now we go to the question answer session.
Match the picture with the correct word by using the same color in a block.
Okay, so these are the books. So we keep our books in a school bag. Next is, this is called as a CD. So CD basically used for storing a data. This is the fruits. So we keep the fruits in a refrigerator, that is fridge, to maintain the freshness. And this is the cloth. So basically we keep our clothes in a almaris. Next thing,
Write T for true or F for false statements.
so in that first one, storage place are used to store a thing. So yes, it is true, with the help of storage places we can store things. Next question, a computer can store only sound in a CD. So it is false, with the help of CD we can store different data also, not just a sound. We can store a data in the format picture, in the format videos, in the format data like files, that is Word file, Excel files, different type of files also we can save in the CD. Next question, a refrigerator is used to keep your books and notebooks. So it is false. Just now we see that the books and the notebooks we store in the school bag, and with the help of refrigerator, that means a fridge, we can store vegetables, fruits, different kinds of ice creams, then pastries, cake, like this we can store in a fridge. Next question,
Answer in one word.
so in that, which storage place is used to keep your books and notebook? So all of you know, just now I tell you, with the help of almaris. Here they are pronounced that almiras. Next question, where do we store your clothes, book and toys? So we store our clothes, book and toys, where we store here the school bag, and here the almaris or almiras. Yes, next question. Where do we keep fruit, vegetable and cold drink in our house? So we keep in a refrigerator. That is your fridge. Next question.
Pick the first letter of the each word given below in the same order and you will get the name of a storage device.
Okay, so what we have to do, we have to keep one letter from here, one things in a bird or a rabbit. There are different insects are there, so we have to pick one letter from one word and write here. That is from P, parrot. That is, we have to keep first letter of parrot, then first letter of eagle, first letter of nightingale, then dog, then rabbit, insect, vulture and emu. Okay, so with the help of this first letter in this word, we create a word as a pen drive. So basically pen drive is a storage device. We store the data in the form of letters, numbers, words, pictures, images, video. We can store the data in the pen drive.
Choose the best answer.
So in this we finish with our question answer session. Now we start with the sample paper 2. So first question, choose the best answer. In that first one, what does a computer need to work with? So computer need data also and the instructions also. So we can select all. Next question, which storage devices do we use to keep fruits, vegetable and cold drinks? So refrigerator means fridge is used to store these things. Next question, which toolbar consists button to the common task? So basically for a common task we use a menu bar. Next question, which key is used to draw a straight line? So with the help of shift key, pressing the shift key, we can draw a straight line. Next, which button is used to change the line thickness? So with the help of size we can change the line thickness. Next question,
Write T for true or F for false statements.
okay, so first one, almiras is a storage place for keeping clothes and toys. So it is true. Next, data can be word, number, picture or a sound. Yes. Next, caps lock key is used to give a space between the letter. So it is false, because with the help of caps lock key we can write a letter in a capital, and with the help of spacebar key we can give the space between the letter or a word. Next question, a CD store a data, a computer store a data in a CD. So it is a false. With the help of CPU, CPU is there. In that CPU we have a storage devices, we have a hardware, we have a software. So with that CPU we can store the data. One memory part is there, in that we store a data. CD is the external part of the computer. So CD store the data, but a computer store data in CD is a wrong thing. So it is false. Next question, in a paint program we cannot color the object. So it is false. With the help of paint we can color the object, draw and picture. Ribbon is made up of tabs and a group. So it is false. Next one, a mouse is not controlled by a computer. Sorry, a ribbon is made up of tabs and group. It is a correct thing. And a mouse is not controlled by a computer. So it is a false. We can control a mouse with the help of computer. because mouse having a tail which is connect to the CPU, so with the help of this connection we can control the mouse pointers things. Next question, we cannot use the store data whenever we need, so it is false. We can store the data anytime in a computer. Next question, spacebar key is the smallest key on the keyboard, so it is false because spacebar key is the longest key on the keyboard. Next question, we cannot store a data in a pen drive, so it is false. We can store a data in the pen drive. Next thing,
Fill in the blanks.
so in the fill in the blanks, first one, there are hints given here. In your textbooks also there are hints given below the fill in the blanks or before the fill in the blanks. Next one, dash program help us to make the drawing, so basically with the help of paint program we can make a drawing. Next question, dash tool is used to fill a color in a drawing, so fun with color. We can color a drawing. Next, a computer store its data in a memory. Next question, dash tool is used to erase any part of the picture, so eraser tool is used to erase any part of the picture. And the last one, dash symbol appear on the drawing area when we select the rectangle tool, so the plus sign is appear on your screen when you draw the rectangle tool. Select the rectangle tool. Now the next,
Answer in one word.
so in the answer in one word you have a hints here. In that first one, which tool is used to draw four-sided figure? So with the help of rectangle tool we can draw the four-sided figure. Next question, which is the term used for pressing the left mouse button twice quickly? So this concept is called as a double click. Next question, which tool is used to make a freehand drawing? So with the help of brush tool we can make a freehand drawing. Next question, what do we call the devices that store the things? So basically called as a storage devices. Next question, what are the letter or a number in a computer now known as data? Okay, so in this way we finish with the question answers and the sample paper 2 also. Now you have to open your textbook and complete your textbook. Along with your textbook you have to complete your notebook also. In your notebook you have to write the chapter number 9 question answers and the sample paper 2. If you have any query, any doubt, you can write in a comment box. Thank you.